Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making cranberry sauce. You will need 4 cups of fresh cranberries, 2 1/3 cups of sugar, 1/3 cup of orange marmalade, 7 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the water, sugar, and salt to a saucepan. Bring to temperature using medium heat, then stir until your sugar has dissolved. Now bring your liquid to a light simmer, then add your cranberries. Allow the cranberries to cook for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Once the skin on your cranberries begin to burst, turn off your heat. Now add the lemon juice and orange marmalade, then mix well. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is provided in the description below. Once your cranberry sauce has cooled, transfer to a dish, then place in the refrigerator and allow it to sit until it has reached your desired consistency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making